Hey guys, welcome to Nick's Yard Care's YouTube channel. We're taking this factory stock air filter for the Kawasaki. What was that? A FS 481V. And we're going to this. This is a Kawasaki filters, Kawasaki Turbo. Vortex cover goes on here. Right now I'm fixing to do some trimming that I've got to do off this kit. I got to sink this down some. Then after that, we'll figure out where this needs to be bolted on, and we'll go from there. I did take a blower and blow all this out ahead of time and remove the old filter and the old tube temporarily, just so I can see what I got going on and what we need to do to get this done quickly and efficiently. But this right here is the industrial air cleaner. Yeah, I know that other one's a commercial filter too, but I'm sorry, this is not my secondary mower. I just don't use it here and there on small yards. That's all I do is small yards. This is my main mower. So I've got to do something to make it worth my time and while to get it done and done correctly and keep from messing my motor up, because if I get dirt in that motor, then I've got to clean it. Carbs, it's just a big headache when I can do this the first time and get it done right. All right, guys, I'll pick you up here in a little bit. All right, guys. I was putting my video together last night and this morning for today. 17 minutes is going to be missing out of it, so I'm going to have to go over what I have to do. To get this cow raised up, you have to remove that's 5 bolts on it. You got to remove 3 of these, 4 of the metal holders, and 3 out of the thing on the flywheel. Then it'll come up so you can put your bolts in. I anchored the plate down there. All of that was lost. I couldn't merge it into my other videos. I had 2 minutes too long on the recording, and that happens sometimes. I thought I caught it yesterday in time. I just wished you could have seen it, but enjoy the rest of the video though. But I wanted to let you know that's what you missed, me putting it, drilling the hose, putting it together, and putting it all back together. Then doing the snorkel on top, and the canister was still there, but in a different part of the video. All right, guys, here we go. All right, I did have to flip the video off and back on to make another part. I'm hoping I didn't mess up and go too long. We'll find out here shortly. Okay. Now here, got to unscrew it fully to snake it through correctly. Okay. Yeah. Let's get this going here. Trying to decide exactly how I want it, but get that nut driver, make it faster now. Alright, I thought I had one. Yes, I do not. Guess I'll fight with this ratchet then. Trying to make it quicker and faster. That's what I get. Alright, that one's on. Let's get this side on. Man alive. There we go. I think it's kind of funny when you got Harley Davidson riders trying to ride like sport bike riders. Hoping this don't come off. I actually have one extra thing. I think I'm going to go ahead and use it to be safe. I'd rather be safe than sorry. Be my luck, that'd be one of the most expensive parts of the kit. I can get it a little tight in there, then once I put it on, I can snug it up. I don't have to worry about it anymore then. Well, I don't want that name facing the other direction. There we go. There we go, guys. Let's put this cap back on it. Walker. Oh, hold on. Forgot to put my cowing bolts back in. I like 4 of them. Here, I thought I was doing good. I don't want to not do it and forget about it and go down the road and lose everything. Won't take us but a jiffy. And we'll see how this new filtration system is going to work. Very simple kit that's going to make a big difference on your motor's longevity. Unless you want to do your air filters daily, and I don't have time for that every day. You know, I've got family I got to spend time with, just like y'all do. And when you're out here having to do some extra work, it takes away from family time. And this right here should only be 1 day a week. Take a blower to it, blow the big thing out, and I'll pull it apart here and show you the filters. This is not a Kawasaki kit by any means, but the 2 filters are Kawasaki, and so is the upper cowling. Now, I'm sorry it is a longer video today, but that's what it takes sometimes to get a good essential video out to show people, to help them with their stuff they have going on. I know I've been looking, my shop's been looking, but it's not much they can do since it's not a Kawasaki product for this motor. But essentially putting it on, and Kawasaki can't reject your warranty claim, being that you are using Kawasaki air filters in it. That ain't the right size. That's the first thing I asked my guy at the shop. He says, as long as I had a Kawasaki air filter in it, he said he wasn't going to claim anything against it. And I pulled up the kit online, he saw it, and he said, okay, looked good to him. All right, guys, look at that. From this to this. I went from the regular commercial residential air filter thing, did the mod, to the industrial cleaner. And yes, this is a Kawasaki part. This is not. But what's in it is Kawasaki. Let me get this off here. Give me just a second. All right, guys. This is Kawasaki's filter, and it's the dual element filters. So yes, this is 100% ready to roll. I did buy the kit that I didn't replace the cowl on because I didn't see that as a necessary evil to do. All right, let me get this top back on and I'll pick you back up. All right, guys, I'm back again. Had a little fitment issue. I had to loosen these top two, pull it over so I could get the clamps in there better. But yeah, she is airtight all the way around. I did try it a while ago. That'll be fun if I had to use the pull start. But here we go, just to show you. An electric start FS 481B with the industrial air cleaner. Now guys, the reason I went with the not replacing of the cowl, that cowl only has 2 extra holes in it that nobody would ever question. And all I have to do now is put it back together and take that off, sell it if I want to, and buy a whole new, more or less, radiator hose. But that's what it is, guys. I hope this will be something you learn something from. Like I said, I will put the link of the description to the guy that I bought it from off eBay. It works, so I'm going to give it a try and I'll keep you updated on it, but looks like I should have more filtration than I ever have on it. Alright guys, y'all have a good one. God bless, like, subscribe, and comment.